Hi, I'm Joshua Jackson from Elkhart, Kansas, and I am seeking this degree because I want to learn more and broaden my horizons as an educator and possibly help students a little bit more as an administrator, mainly because I am a music teacher. I grew up in Western Kansas on a farm. I attended Bethany College, got my undergraduate, achieved my master's in music from Kansas State University, and I still feel like I am not being as effective as I could be whenever it comes to helping students learn and succeed. I think that as a music teacher, I have a lot of experience in dealing with the community, dealing with parents, the school board, and adapting to different situations, not to mention dealing with the legal issues and so forth that come up every so often in education. And I also feel that I have a lot of experience administrating because I have essentially administered an entire program and department in a variety of schools under a variety of conditions. Everything from marching band to pep band to music clinics to contests to dealing with different parent situations to dealing with all sorts of different other issues that may or may not arise and the occasional musical to go along with it. To say the least, I am enjoying teaching elementary here in Elkhart. I would say that probably my strengths as far as school finance is the fact that I am very good at balancing budgets and I do know how to pinch pennies because mainly being in music, you find every single way that you can to save money, stretch money, and so that you can get all the supplies and resources that you need for your students. I, however, would say that a weakness is I don't understand completely how the situation works and how finance actually works within the school district, how they come up with the numbers that I am given. I just know how I deal with the numbers that I am given. I would say that any another interesting thing about myself, one, I do have a near to 1 year old in the house. So if you hear her crying in the background on one of these videos, that would be her. And I enjoy hiking, traveling, and collecting trains, anything trains. Right. Thank you.